Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be doing my Ipsy versus Ipsy, one of my favorite videos to film by far. If you're not familiar what this is, because I know I have a few new subscribers, this is where I do 3 different Ipsys, 3 different profiles, and we decide together, does Ipsy follow your beauty profile? Now yes, I'm looking a little rough. I spent the day doing stuff outside. Didn't wear any makeup because we gotta embrace our natural skin. I know this is a makeup channel, but we just gotta embrace it. I'm looking a little rough. Don't worry, it'll be okay. But I have 3 different Ipsys and 3 different profiles, and we decided, does Ipsy follow your beauty profile? Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription if you are unfamiliar, and you get 5 sample-sized products. Once in a while, you will get a full-size lip product, a full-size brush, full-size eyeshadow, highlighter, just little things like that. But it is only $10 a month, and it is one of my favorite subscriptions. So let's just jump right into it. The first one I have is this one. Now I'm not going to show you the front because it does have my address. I couldn't find my Sharpie. I managed to lose it. But this profile says, I am 29. I am not comfortable with makeup at all. Like, don't give me any of that makeup crap. And I have violet hair and green eyes or something like that. But we're just going to jump right into it. So there was one thing outside the bag, but this is what the bag looks like. Very, very cute. It's like a very heavy duty bag. Love the coral zipper. I love this bag. Probably one of my favorites. Very, very heavy duty though. Sometimes we get Ipsy bags and they're just very cheap and not very well made. But I did have one thing outside of my bag, and this is by Ciate London. It is the Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Okay, I love a good hydrating primer. This one's got beads in it. Let's open this up. Does it smell like jelly or watermelon? Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, let's just squirt some on my hand. It's just a clear primer. It's not pink like the pack, like it shows. It's just right there at the top. It doesn't smell, like when you put it on, it doesn't smell too much like watermelon. It smells like rubbing alcohol, to be honest. Is there alcohol in this? I'd hope not, because it's a hydrating primer and alcohol breaks your skin out. Like, not breaks it out, but dries it out. Let's peel this back for some ingredients. Alcohol. It's not one of the first ingredients, so it doesn't mean there's not a lot in there, but there is alcohol in there, which I don't know how that'll work with a hydrating primer. Usually alcohol dries out skin, and even on my skin, it doesn't look very glowy or hydrated. It just looks matte, honestly. But we will definitely give that a try. I love a good primer. Let's open this bad boy up. It feels very hefty. So we pull up the card. It says, July 2019, dive in. Summer is in full swing, so let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, and shimmering budge-proof makeup looks. Guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. And it says, see you next month. And then inside it's got all the products, which I won't look at, and just a little bit about them, but we have a full bag, and I just dropped one, so we'll grab what I dropped first. So the first thing I have is something I dropped, and this is by Smashbox. Okay, this is an always-on liquid lipstick in Babe Alert. I don't have this shade. Very pretty pinky tone shade. Let's swatch this. Ooh, very pretty, pinky mauve. Right up my alley. I love that shade. I love the Smashbox formula as well. I have quite a few from them, and I love the formula. And this is a decent size. I am in love with this. Such a pretty shade, especially for the summertime. Let's pull out the next thing in here. Okay, this is by Brighton. It's the Brighton Concentrate Oil with Cacao Plum, one of the world's richest natural sources of vitamin C. Okay, so it's an oil. It's a vitamin C brightening oil. Ooh, decent size sample. That is quite a bit. And it's Brighton Concentrate Oil with Cacao Plum, Red Earth. Okay, so it's just like a brightening serum, hydrating, brightening. Very good. I love some skincare, and so far, for this being a very not makeup heavy bag, we didn't get a lip product, but that is okay. But we got a primer, which, you can wear this just alone, and then an oil, which is definitely related to the profile. Let's pull up the next thing, which is, ooh, okay, this is a big sample. This is by Murad. It's the Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I love Murad's products. They make an Acne Pro line that is one of my favorites. And a vitamin C, or Essential C Cleanser is, yes, please. I love cleansers. And this one's got microbeads in it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see them. But that is also really good for really getting in the skin. And that is a very good sample. Does it have a smell to it? Let's smell it. Okay, I think there's a safety seal on this. Why do I always try to smell things with safety seals? Yeah, there's a safety seal. Okay, but that is a very good, very, very good size. So far, Ipsy is killing this bag. Now let's pull the next thing, which is open. I don't know how I feel about that, but this is Color B, Miss Robbins, Color B, The Future of Color Nail Lacquer. Okay, I know this bag is a no makeup bag. However, I did say I don't want any nail polish. I have all three of my Ipsy bags say no nail polish. I'm not a nail polish wearer. I can't wear nail polish at work, and I just don't paint my nails because it looks like a child did it. But this is open, so we will. Ooh, whoa, that is a bright color. What shade is this in? Okay, so it doesn't have a shade, unless the shade is Miss Robinson, but that is a bright, bright purple. Like, I don't think that's gonna show up on camera how bright of a purple that is. That would be so cute on the toes, okay? I might wear this on my toes. I'm usually a red toenail polish person on my toes, but that is a bright shade. Perfect for the summertime, and it is fitting the theme of no makeup. And last but not least is by Cotton Candy Blusher Phase Zero Makeup. Not bad, not bad. So I'm assuming this is a blush. Let's just pull this out. What is going on with my hair? Okay, so it's wrapped all nicely. It's by Phase Zero Makeup, which that is a decent size. Blushes take forever to go through, so that is a very decent size. Ooh, I love that shade. It's like a very pastel-y pink. I don't know how well you're gonna be able to. There we go. Ooh, okay. A little more pink than it looks in the pan. I like a dark mauve pink, but this is a really pretty shade, especially for the summertime. It's bright, fun, but like not too much. I'd still wear it. It's not like a hot pink. I love this bag. So we got the blush, we got the Murad cleanser, a facial oil, a Ciate watermelon hydrating primer. So far we're at 4 products, and then a nail polish. So 5. So I got 6 products in this bag in a Smashbox. So let's see. Smashbox Lippy. Love this bag. Definitely think it fit the profile a little bit. We still got a few makeup products, but like not any crazy makeup products, so I definitely like that. Let's pull up the next one, which says, this is my original bag. So it says I'm 20, I have blonde hair, blue eyes, fair skin, and I'm very comfortable with makeup. So let's just pull this out. Okay, and there's one thing outside the bag, and this is what is this? French Vanilla, the Coffee Scrub, Organic Feelings, Los Angeles. So I'm assuming this is a coffee scrub. It says the original coffee scrub. Recommended use 1 to 2 scrubs per week. Turn the shower on and dampen your skin. Use about 2 small handfuls of the coffee scrub to cover your body with circular motions. Massage the scrub on your skin, concentrating on problem areas. So for me, my problem areas are usually like right by my neck and my elbows and my knees, but I love a good scrub. Love a good scrub. This sounds just like coffee grounds, but I definitely will try this. I love a good scrub. Oh my gosh, if you guys have seen any of my hauls, I buy body scrubs like crazy. I love a good scrub. Oh my gosh, I get the driest skin, and I just need a good scrub to get all that dead skin and gunk off, so I'm very excited to try that. Okay, so again, we have the same card, not gonna open. And then let's pull up the next thing, which is by Luxie, and this is, what is this? It's a brush, obviously, but I pulled it out, and this is what it looks like, and this is the Luxie 1010 Small Contour Brush. Hold up. I have this brush. I know I have this brush because I love this brush. I use it to blend out cream contour and to like contour, that's what it's for, and just contouring. It's amazing for contouring. One of the best brushes for cream contouring too. It's soft, but like super soft, but still got that firm and denseness to it where you can really get in there and blend out cream contour. I don't need 2 brushes. I will be throwing this one into a future giveaway, but this is an amazing brush, and I'm very happy that we got this, but I already have one. Okay, so next we have the Ciate London Glow 2 Highlighter in Moondust. Let me check, because I think I might have this too. Okay, so it's hiding in this, and let me just open my little Z palette and find which one it is. This one right here. So it's this shade. Very pretty shade. I use this shade quite a bit actually. Such a pretty shade. It's that shade right there. Very pretty shade, one of my favorites. Again, I do have it. This bag is not starting out the best, but that's what happens when you get 3 different bags a month. You do end up getting repeat products, but it is a nice highlighter and someone else will love it. Let's pull out the bag, and the next product is another repeat. This is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. Just got this in the last bag, so I don't need 2. And the last product is another repeat. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Babe Alert, which is that pink shade right there. So someone will love getting those products. That would be a really good bag if I didn't get 3 bags and get repeats. But I think they did really well with that bag and that profile. Definitely things I use. And the last one says, I am 42. I have black hair, fair skin, gray eyes, and somewhat comfortable makeup. Like I like makeup, but don't get me into that crazy stuff. Let's just open this up. Okay, again, another repeat. The Coffee Scrub Body Scrub in French Vanilla. I definitely am keeping this for myself. Sorry guys, but I love a good scrub, and if this stuff works, I'm using this. So I'm not mad at that repeat. And then again, the same bag, there's no bag variations. Let's pull out this card. And I'm seeing some repeats. So we got the Ciate London Moon Dust Highlighter. That shade right there. We got the Babe Alert, which is that shade right there. We got the same brush, which is right here. And we got the Murad Cleanser, which is right here. So that was kind of disappointing that 2 of my bags were repeats. I mean, I can't be mad at it. I do get 3 bags every month. I'm bound to get repeats. It just happens. Some months I get no repeats. Some months all my bags are repeats. But that is all. I think Ipsy did really well this month, besides the fact that they did give me so many repeats. I can't complain. One of my bags did have 6 products, and you're only supposed to get 5. Can't complain. But that is all. Let me know, do you guys get Ipsy? Do you feel like they follow your beauty profile? If not, let me know down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions, but that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you, you can follow me on all my social media down below. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. For a little more behind-the-scenes look at my life, it gets a little crazy sometimes, but that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!